Hello students, today we'll study how to write classified advertisements. Previously also I have made two videos on advertisements. The first one was on the different types of advertisements, display and classified advertisements, where I've classified accordingly so that you can judge what type of advertisement is classified, what is a display advertisement. The other video I made was exclusively on display advertisements. So this is my video exclusively on classified advertisements. In this particular video, I'm going to give you examples of different types of classified advertisements. I'm going to tell you what are the requirements if any kind of advertisements comes in your course or in your question paper. So what are you supposed to write? What all points you should keep in mind while writing that advertisement? So this is a very comprehensive video. I'm sure all your doubts regarding your classified advertisements will be over once you go through this complete video. Now, there are firstly and foremost, let me the format of the classified advertisements. The classified advertisements is always written in a box. Clearly state the category at the top. Example, situation vacant, car for sale, bike for sale, house for sale, flat for sale, accommodation wanted, etc. They should be very brief and concise. That means they should contain all the value points in the minimum number of words. The word limit is 50. So you're not supposed to exceed the word limit. Please adhere to the word limit. They need not be in complete sentences. It is not necessary to write them in complete sentences. So maximum information in minimum number of words. Language should be very simple and concise. Every advertisement should have a contact name, contact number, etc. Now coming to the types of classified advertisements. There are different types of classified advertisements like situation vacant, situation wanted, flat for sale, plot for sale, accommodation wanted, flat wanted, to let, bike for sale, car for sale, books for sale, travels and tours, lost and found, dealers required, groom wanted, bride wanted, change of name, household goods for sale, missing person, pet, tutor wanted, admission notice, obituary. So whatever ads that you've seen, the small ads that come in newspapers in the classified columns, those are known as classified advertisement. Don't worry. By the end of this video, all your doubts regarding this will be cleared, and I'm going to tell each and every type of classified advertisement with example to you. Now, coming to the first type, that is situation vacant. Now, situation vacant is something when it is coming from a company. The company, there is a requirement in a company and the company advertises stating that this is the kind of position, the kind of qualification that people we are looking for. So the name of the post that is being advertised should be clearly mentioned. Which company is looking for that, for a person, that should be mentioned. The educational qualifications required for that post, the experience required by the candidate should also be given. The nature of the job, what are the job demands, for example, fluency in computers or fluency in spoken English, or everything should be mentioned here. What are your personality requirements? For example, do you need smart, well thought out? Is there any age requirement? That has to be given. What is the time limit within to apply? That has to be given. And it is salary offer that you're giving, and the contact address should be given. Either the contact address or your email ID should be given here. Generally, one line is written, salary commensurates with experience. That means as and when, suppose if you have higher experience, the salary will be higher. Higher the experience, higher is the salary. Now, I'm going to give you one example, two, three examples of situation vacant. So this is coming from a company. For example, this is a question that has come in boards. The firm Bhatia & Bhatia Industrial Area, Bangalore wants 2 engineers for their Chennai office. Draft an advertisement for the situations vacant column of a local newspaper giving all the necessary details. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. South situation vacant. So the company is looking for 2 engineers and the office is in Chennai. So you are going to write, say, firstly, if it is, you can write Times of India in the heading, and then in the next box you can make small box like classified, and then you can write situations vacant. And then you can say, or you can simply make a box and simply write situations vacant. So this heading is compulsory, situations vacant heading. So you say Bhatia & Bhatia company is looking for experienced and qualified civil engineers for its Chennai office on a contractual basis. The candidate should be BTech, civil engineering with at least 10 years of experience working with an MNC. Salary will not be a constraint for the right candidate. Attend walk-in interview with resume, attested testimonials and 2 passport size photographs on Sunday, 4th April at 10 a.m. at the following address. So the way how you are supposed to contact them, if it's a walk-in interview, you have to tell that. If it is if you have to send your resume, then you have to give your email ID. Okay, then we have told what is the experience that is required. We have told we want BTech, how we are supposed to contact yourself, and then you need, whenever there's a walk-in interview, you always say bring your 2 passport size photographs and your certificates. Now this is an question that I wanted to give you. You are general manager, Hotel Dosa, Gurgaon. You need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. She must be a graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Gurgaon Times. So the heading will be Gurgaon Times in a small box, then comes classified, then comes situations vacant, another box. It has to be in a box. You should be very particular that the advertisement has to be in a box. So you will say Hotel Dosa Gurgaon is looking for a female front office assistant. That means a receptionist. Now, since there is an age criteria, you can give that below 28 years of age with at least 2 years of experience. Now, the receptionist should be graduate with good communication skills and pleasing manners. Interested candidates may walk in for an interview on 11th March between 11 and 2 p.m. with all the original documents and 2 passport size photographs. Always give your contact number here, the general manager, Hotel Dosa, and your phone number. Now this is another situation vacant ad. A reputed public school, so this is a vacancy for teacher, for a receptionist again. A public school in Agra is looking for a female receptionist below 35 years of age with pleasing personality. Should be graduate with at least 3 years of experience in similar position. Knowledge of computers, shorthand, fluency in English and good communication skills is essential. Salary commensurates with experience. Interested candidates may apply with complete biodata within 7 days to the principal, Sunrise Global School. Contact, phone number or email. This was one where there was no walk-in interview, so you have to contact them through your email. You have to send your CV through email. Now this is another ad where a person is looking for a job. So situation wanted is that case when a person is looking for a job. So you give your necessary qualifications, you give your necessary experience, and you tell how can they contact you. So your email ID should be given here. So this is another situation. So in this case, you don't write situations vacant. Vacant is coming from the company. Situation wanted is coming from a person. So a 28-year-old BE Electronics with 5 years of experience working as a programmer in the IT industry in USA seeks a job in or around Bangalore in domestic or foreign IT company. Salary negotiable. The person has excellent communication skills and is a good team player. He is available for an interview with 1 day prior notice. Contact Vikram at this number or vikram@gmail.com. So situation wanted comes when a person is looking for a company. So you give your necessary qualifications, you give your experience, you tell where you're looking for a job and how that person should be contacted. You tell about your little qualifications, for example, you're you have a good communication skills, you're a good team player. All this can be said here as well. Now this is another example of a to-let. To-let means when you're giving your property for rent. It can be a flat, it can be an office as well. So to-let or a property related documents, you have to tell what kind of house is it. Is it a flat? Is it a plot? Is it an independent house? Is it in a multi-story building? So you have to tell about the details of the location. What are the plus points? Is it near a shopping center? Is it near the airport? Is it close to the metro station? The kind of area, if you can mention the area. For example, if you're staying in Delhi, you can say it's staying in Janakpuri or Vikaspuri or Dwarka or Safdarjung Enclave. All these areas can be mentioned. So the kind of area or colony can be written. The number of rooms, for example, 5 BHK. When we write BHK, so 5 B stands for bedroom, H stands for hall, K for kitchen. So 5 bedrooms plus a hall and a kitchen. And you can talk about the kitchen, whether it's a modular or not. You can tell if there is an extra garage over there. Do you have a lawn, or does it have a 24/7 power backup as well as water supply? Does it have a security system? So use adjectives like airy, furnished. Furnished means fully furnished means it has cupboards. For example, cupboards are already there. Semi-furnished means only the kitchen is there. The cupboards, you have to bring your own cupboards. For example, you need your steel almirahs. The cupboards are not there. So there is a space there, but there is no cupboard. And newly built, fitted with modern gadgets. You have to give your contact address and telephone number in any ad. You can also give your email ID as well. So this is a question. You are Karuna Bajaj, a leading lawyer practicing in Surat. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified columns of a local newspaper. You can contact at 45645678. So it is clearly mentioned you are looking for an office cum house, independent house space. So what all requirements that you have, that should be given. So what is the area that you're looking for? It should have, since it's an office space, you would obviously prefer near, close to, for example, on the main road. You have to give the number of bedrooms that you're looking for. Do you need 24/7 power backup, etc.? So all these things, do you want a servant quarter? You have to mention it should be used for the office purpose as well as for residence. So all these things should be mentioned in this ad. So how will you write a leading? You'll give the heading accommodation wanted, since it is accommodation wanted. If you're giving your flat on rent, then it is to let. If you're giving your flat for sale, it is flat for sale. But since you are wanting an accommodation, so it is accommodation wanted. So a leading lawyer is looking for an independent house of about 200 square yards to be used as an office cum residence at City Light Road, Surat. The house should be newly constructed, east facing, having 3 rooms with attached toilets, drawing and dining rooms along with modular kitchen on the first floor, and 2 spacious rooms with a servant quarter on the ground floor to be used for office purpose. It must have adequate parking space, 24 hours electricity and water supply. Contact Ms. Karuna Bajaj at this phone number. Now, I'm going to give you another case of accommodation wanted. So this is a question. You're a businessman who wants to set up a small garment shop in your city. Draft an advertisement seeking suitors with space for rent to be published in the wanted accommodation column of a newspaper. Write in 50 words. So you are looking for a shop space. So how much space is required? And you have to give, it should be in a good shopping complex, etc. Accommodation wanted, required at least 600 square feet space to be set up in a shop for selling garments in North or West Delhi on a lease basis. The place must be fully furnished in a good shopping complex, preferably on the ground floor. So immediate possession is required. Contact Karan Joshi 9660. They give your phone number, or you can give your email ID as well. Now this is another advertisement where a person is looking for a flat. You need to buy a flat. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of the newspaper, giving all the necessary details of your requirements. So you need to buy a flat. So since you are looking for a flat wanted. So wanted a 3-bedroom flat, unfurnished or semi-furnished, approximately 1500 square feet on the ground floor or the second floor with separate servant quarters in a ready-to-move-in society in the NCR region. The flat must be east facing with 24 hours of water and power backup, parking facility for 1 car, close proximity to the metro station would be preferred. So contact Karan, give your address, M114 Mall Road, Delhi, and your phone number. Address is not compulsory, but your phone number is compulsory. Now this is another advertisement where you're selling off your plot. So you possess an acre of land in the heart of the city. You want to dispose of this property since you have decided to buy a flat. Write an advertisement to be published in a national daily. So it is to be published in national daily. So Times of India, classified, and then plot for sale. Available 1 acre freehold plot. You have to tell this whether it's a freehold or not. Freehold matlab you can get the registry done easily. Yeah, in posh colony of Delhi, prime location, walking distance from the market. Dealers, please excuse. Institutional buyers or builders are welcome. Price negotiable. Contact, give your phone number or your address. Now this is a flat for sale. You want to sell your newly built flat. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be inserted in the classified columns of The Hindu. The Hindu is a national daily, so in the heading you will write The Hindu, then classified column, and then again third box, flat for sale. Giving all the necessary details. A newly built 1500 square feet flat is available for immediate sale on GT Road. The flat has spacious 3 bedrooms with attached washrooms, huge drawing cum dining room, modular kitchen and study, parking facility for 2 cars, barely 10 minutes drive from the community center, in close vicinity of reputed schools and multi-specialty hospital. Expected price rupees 45 lakhs. Price, if you want to tell, you can tell. Otherwise, it is not compulsory. Contact number is essential. Since the address is given, you have to write that address as well. Now, this is another house which is their property for rent. So you would like to let out a portion of an independent house for office use. Write an advertisement in classified columns of local newspaper giving all the necessary details. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Now, how will you do it? Available for rent. For rent hai ye. So for rent, whenever it is there, you are supposed to give the heading as to let. Give the information about that flat. That it has 3 rooms are there, attached toilets are there, it's on ground floor, it's on the main road, and parking space is there, fully furnished with ACs. All these things are mentioned here. Space is on main road, adequate parking space, part of the independent house in good locality, fully furnished with AC in all the rooms, suitable for office, walking distance from the market, company lease preferred, rent negotiable. Contact, give your phone number and your email ID if you want. Now this is another to-let ad where you want to rent out your newly constructed flat in the heart of the city. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words in Deccan Herald. Deccan Herald is again the name of the newspaper. So give the heading Deccan Herald and put it in a box. Then next heading will be classified. Third heading is this box where you will write to let. A 1500 square feet newly constructed 3 BHK. BHK I told you means bedroom, hall, kitchen flat on first floor is available for rent in the heart of the city. The flat is fully furnished with spacious and airy rooms, modular kitchen and has parking facility for 1 car. A to Z, shopping mall, railway station, hospitals, schools and colleges within 1 kilometer. 24-hour water supply, power backup and security available. Company lease preferred. Contact Mahima, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Give your phone number. Now, whenever you want to sell off your vehicle, it can be your bike, it can be your car, whatever you want to sell, you have to tell. In this particular ad, you have to supposed to tell what is the model number, what is the year of manufacturing, how much mileage it is covering, giving what is the color of the car or bike, is it single hand driven मतलब एक ही जना कार चलाता है, is it in good condition. You may invite them for a test drive. You are supposed to talk about the accessories. Does it have new seat covers, new mats, a stereo system, leather seat covers, or power backup, or power steering, power windows, etc. Papers, how are there? Are there insurance? Is there insurance? Are the papers clear? For example, is it still under the company's for example, on the bank's name, is it in your name or in the bank name? Okay, that has to be given. So, for example, this is a bike for sale. You want to sell off your motorbike, which you have been using for 5 years since you have decided to buy a car. Write an advertisement not more than 50 words in the national daily. So again, Times of India, classified. Again, third box, bike for sale. Red colored Bajaj Pulsar. So this is the model name of the bike. 2014 model bike is available for immediate sale. Bike is in good condition, self-driven, original documents giving 40 km per liter, covered 20,000 kilometers, Delhi registration, dealers please excuse, interested buyers contact Amit Shial. Give your phone number and email ID if you want to. This is another ad, whether you're selling off your car. You want to sell off your car as you're leaving the country, draft a suitable advertisement to be inserted in the Hindu. Again, small box, write the Hindu in capitals. Next box, write classified in capitals. Third box, write car for sale. Sparingly used 2016 model white colored Honda City ZX is available for immediate sale. The car is in excellent condition. Self-driven, giving 18 kilometers per liter, covered 20,000 kilometers, original documents, alloy wheels, Sony music system with amplifier installed, tele registration with VIP number, owner going abroad, rate negotiable. Interested buyers contact Jitin Verma. This is the mobile number and the email ID. Now this is another ad for books for sale. So you have cleared your IIT entrance exam and you want to sell off your reading material you have. Write an advertisement to be placed in for sale columns of a local daily of the material, giving all the details of your material. So the heading will be books for sale. IIT entrance exam books of FIG and brilliant classes worth rupees 20,000 available for sale at half the price. All books are in excellent condition, a golden opportunity to prepare for G with all the relevant study material and latest sample papers with practice questions on each topic. Those interested, please contact Mohini. Payment in cash only. Contact number is also given. Now this is another ad of lost and found. So suppose you've lost some particular article, you have to tell where you lost it, what date you lost it, around the time you lost it. Ask, give a suitable reward, because otherwise nobody will come and contact you for that. So you have lost an expensive watch probably in the market. Write an advertisement for lost and found column of the local newspaper giving all the relevant details. So this is coming lost and found. Lost a Titan watch with black dial and white leather strap on bus route number 107 on 10th March 20 something around 11 am. Anyone who finds it, please contact Gopal, 4 Manav Road, Kanpur. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Now this is another ad for lost. You have lost a wallet. Okay, write an advertisement not more than 50 words of National Herald, Lucknow, stating the loss of your wallet while traveling by bus from Hazratganj to Nirala Nagar in Lucknow. So this is how you're going to write. In the first box, you're going to write National Herald, the name of the newspaper. In the second box, you're going to write classified, the name of classified. Third box, you're going to write lost. Lost also is okay. Lost a blue colored Levi's wallet containing a DD of rupees 32,500 and some cash somewhere on the road between Hazratganj and Nirala Nagar on 20th May around 5 p.m. If anyone finds it, please contact Raman. Phone number. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Now, in case you found something, so you found a wallet with some cash and credit cards, write an advertisement. So, in this case, one thing is necessary. You have to give the details about that. You have to ask the person to bring proof of verification. उसके क्यों ऐसे तो हर कोई आ जाएगा कि that please that wallet belonged to me. So you have to bring the proof of verification. So give the heading found a brown Versace wallet with some cash and credit cards near PVS Mall. Whosoever has lost it may claim by identifying it and by providing proof of ownership. If nobody claims it by 30th of this month, it will be handed over to the Institute for Orphans, Shardapuri, New Delhi, for proper use. Give your phone number as well. Now this is another advertisement for dealers required. Just suppose this is a question. Raman India is looking for dealers in various cities. Frame an advertisement in 50 words on behalf of the company. So whenever there is a dealer required question, you have to tell what product are you dealing in. You have to talk about what all area. Dealer क्या होता है? That person supplies to the wholesalers of the city and wholesaler supplies to the रिटेलर्स. आप किससे खरीदते हो? रिटेलर से. और रिटेलर किससे खरीदता है? होलसेलर. और होलसेलर किससे खरीदता है? डीलर. सो दैट पर्सन मस्ट बी हैविंग इनफ स्पेस टू कीप ऑल दैट स्टफ and must be having sound financial background. to keep so much stuff with him, क्योंकि उसको पहले बल्क में बाय करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो होलसेलर को सप्लाई करेगा, then that stuff will be going to the retailers. So that thing, that kind of infrastructure must be there with you. So Raman India Limited, leaders in manufacturing and marketing engine and fuel additives, is looking for dealers in all major towns of Uttar Pradesh for its new range of products like car wash, wax cleaners, scratch removers, perfumes, etc. Reputed parties in similar fields having sound financial condition and necessary infrastructure may apply to the Managing Director of India Limited, Vilepale, Mumbai, and give your phone number. Now this is a matrimonial ad. Matrimonial means shaadi ke liye. Whether if there is a girl, you'll write groom wanted for. If you have a boy who is looking for a marriage partner, so you will say bride wanted. Give the age, the height and appearance. For example, good looking, educational qualifications, profession, where that person is working. For boys, it is important to mention the income also. You have to tell about the caste as well and give your contact address. Then you will also ask for send BHP. BHP means biodata, horoscope and photograph to such and such address. अब एड्रेस पे तो सब लोग फ़ोन करने लगेंगे तुम्हारे को. सो गिव योर PO box number, either your email ID or your PO box. Send BHP to, give your PO box number to this PO box. So this is an example. Write a matrimonial advertisement in 50 words for an MBA boy looking for a suitable bride. So beautiful, homely, well-educated bride for 26 is the age and 6 feet 2 inch is the height of that boy. Teetotaler. Teetotaler means the person does not drink, the person does not smoke. MBA, son of an industrialist, boy working in an MNC, salary 24 lakhs per annum. 24 lakhs per annum salary देके ही इतने सारे लोग आ जाएंगे, तो इसलिए अपना बस email ID दो, फोन मत दो, वरना फोन ही बजता रहेगा. No dowry, simple marriage, caste no bar, send BHP. BHP I told you means biodata, horoscope and photograph to mgupta@gmail.com. Next is groom wanted ad. A convent educated beautiful girl is looking for a suitable match. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in the matrimonial column in 50 words. So groom wanted will be the heading. Punjabi girl, 26 age is the girl age. 162 centimeters is her height. Fair, good looking, convent educated, working as assistant manager with multinational bank. Seek suitable groom or match for professionally qualified background, well settled in job or business. Caste no bar, apply with BHP by sending a mail to radhasharma@gmail.com. Next is again change of name. Change of name is in this case when a girl gets married. So what happens? Her certificate. Suppose my name was Mona Jundial before, and now my name has changed to Mona Basid after getting married to my husband. So whenever you have, all my professional certificates had Mona Jundial as the name. So that had to be changed. So the best thing is you have to tell, I so and so, daughter of so and so, would like to change my name from this to this after getting married to this son of so and so, resident of so and so. तो इसमें अपना residence भी बताना बताया, and you have to also talk about your father's name. And so this is a proof which is there. You can take a cutting of that newspaper and you can keep it as a proof for you, so that you don't face any sort of problems in detail. So बाद में कभी-कभी लोग horoscope की वजह से भी कर देते हैं. For example, an extra A लगा लेते हैं, E की double E कर देते हैं instead of I. So what do you do? I so and so, son of so and so, resident of so and so, अपना address बताओगे, would like to change my name from this to this due to personal reasons. All near and dear ones are requested to contact me by my new name. So फिर उसके बाद में कोई problem नहीं आएगी. Your qualifications, so this is a proof that initially your name was this, now this is your name. So this is a question. You are Megha Mathur who has changed her name after marriage. Frame an advertisement in 50 words. So the heading will be change of name. I, Megha Mathur, daughter of Ramkrishan Mathur, resident of this, hereby declare that I have changed my name to Megha Sharma after my marriage to Sham Sharma, son of Sri Sham Sharma of New Delhi, India. All concerned are requested to note and address me by my new name. You don't have to give your phone number in this case. This is the only ad where you don't have to give your phone number. Now this comes household goods for sale. Suppose you're going abroad, you want to sell. There must be so many things in your house and you want to sell them off before leaving. So there can be fridge, washing machine, वो सब उसके बारे में बताओगे, is available at such and such place at throwaway price. Contact this number. So sparingly used household goods in excellent conditions are available for immediate sale in Shastri Nagar, New Delhi. AC, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. available at throwaway price. Owner going abroad, all goods on display. Contact this number between 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Next is, suppose you're looking for a tutor, and then you have to give the details. Whom are you going to tutor and what all salary that you offer. Wanted an experienced social studies tutor, preferably female, for intelligent talker, brother, sister duo. Full-year contract, handsome remuneration plus free car pickup and drop. Interested candidates meet personally with resume. Give the phone number and that is it. Now for missing persons, if somebody goes missing, and then the name, age and sex of a child of a person, date since when this person is missing, what is the build, is it heavily built or is it was a lean side, and what is the height of that person, what is the complexion of the person, color of the hair, the color of the eyes, especially when he or she has been seen last, that first place has to be mentioned, and what was that person wearing at that point of time. Is there any particular identification mark, that also has to be written. Indicate a reward. Only if there is a reward, only then people will contact you. So contact name and address also has to be given. Right. A 12-year-old boy, Rajesh, of about 5 feet height, slim build, dark complexion, has been missing since 5th of March. Last seen near PVS Mall, wearing blue full-sleeve shirt, grey trousers. He has a mole on his neck and speaks Hindi and Kannada fluently. A handsome reward promised. Contact, give your phone number or write to this, give your address. Now, this is another thing. Suppose there's a pets and kennel shop, so you have a lot of pets, so you can talk about that. Lorosinus Kennel Patiala offers unique, outstanding and heavy-headed Labrador pups, Doberman, German Shepherd, Pomeranian dogs, stud and pups for sale. Breeder may also contact Sooth Farm, 7th Milestone, Patiala. This thing, phone number. This is for travels and tours. Suppose if you have a travel and tour company and you send tours to different places, so you have to tell the name of the places, what all services do you offer, for example, Indian, Italian cuisine and veg and non-veg meals, what kind of hotels that you offer. Does this itinerary include the cost of transportation, etc., cost of visa as well, the stay as well as meals cost is also there. So all these things should be mentioned. And is there any discount you give for families, or do you give discount, for example 50% discount for children below 12 years of age? That should be given. So Starline Cruise, give the heading travels and tours. The heading is important. If you don't write the heading, your marks will definitely be deducted. So Starline Cruises offers special cruises to Dubai, Singapore, Mauritius and Maldives. Most exciting and thrilling itineraries for individuals, couples and groups. Deluxe hotels with choice of Indian, Chinese and continental cuisine. Courteous and multilingual tour guides for sightseeing. Daily departures at very attractive rates. Special discount for families. Children below 8 years free. Contact, give your phone number, give your website address, etc. Now this is another example of an admission notice. For example, Patiala University, Punjab invites applicants to do a degree course in MBBS, BTS, BTech, etc. Candidate should be at least 17 years of age as on 30th of June 2020 and must have passed 10+2 or equivalent exam in science and English with not less than 50% aggregate from recognized board. For application, more details, log on to Patiala University at edu.in. Call this number between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Now finally, this is the last ad. I hope you don't have to write this ad, but I personally think that everybody should know how to write this ad. This is when a person dies in a family. So I have to tell the name of that person, when, what the year of that birth of that person, when did he die, and at the same time when are the cremations going to take place, and it has to come from the friends and family. So with profound grief we inform one and all of the demise of our respected grandfather Subhash Mahajan, 1935 to 20 something, on Monday 14 June 20 something, after a brief illness. Cremation will take place on Tuesday 15 June 2020 at Municipal Cremations Ground, Sadar Bazaar, New Delhi. Grief stricken wife Mrs. Sushila Mahajan, Supriya, Govardhan, children, all friends and relatives. Now children, I hope you know how to write classified advertisements. Still you have any doubts, you can send me a comment, or if you like this video, do like, share or comment. Thank you. Happy learning.